Hey guys, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing. So one of the big things about camping is eating. People love to eat, whether that's cooking inside, outside, over a fire, over a grill, whatever it may be.
In today's video, we're going to share with you our top 5 RV kitchen items we use all the time.
This video is sponsored by Liquid Spring. If you are looking to update the suspension of your Class A, Class C, or even your Super C motorhome, look no further than the very best suspension upgrade on the market, Liquid Spring. We have personally test-driven Liquid Spring equipped Class A motorhome, and it is a game changer. From the handling to the safety, there is nothing else like it on the market. And for our viewers and subscribers, we are very happy to announce we have partnered with Liquid Spring to offer up to $750 off a new Liquid Spring system. All you have to do is contact Liquid Spring and use the code RIDEENDLESSLY to get up to $750 off a new Liquid Spring suspension system. If you want to test drive a Liquid Spring equipped motorhome and experience really the very best suspension upgrade on the market, check them out. They'll be at the FMCA show at Perry, Georgia this March 2021, booth 817 and 819. If you're looking for the very best in suspension upgrades for your motorhome, look no further than Liquid Spring.
So you may notice our background is a little different today. We're actually coming to you from a KOA in New Jersey. We're cabin camping. Nellie's under the cover, so we have to make do and camp as best we can. So here we are in a cabin. We're having a great time. It's Valentine's Day weekend, and we're loving it.
And you're going to watch this whole video and stay to the end because the bonus item we're going to give you, it is a game changer.
All right, numero uno, collapsible bowls. Now, we have collapsible everything, but these bowls are phenomenal because we make a lot of food. Izzy eats a lot. So what we do is you can actually eat out of these, but they serve as containers as well. So we always have leftovers. Believe it or not, Izzy does have some leftovers. So we cook our food, we can eat it out of here, and we can also store it. They come with lids. These are really easy storage wise. You're not using much room at all, and you're able to keep your food nice and fresh. We are going to link this and the other items in the links below.
All right, number 2 is going to be a cutting board. Now, whether you're cutting sweet potatoes, carrots, or steaks, it doesn't matter. You're going to need some kind of cutting board. Now, we have hard countertops in our motorhome, but who wants to scratch those things up? You don't want to do that. So MJ found this on Amazon. It actually works. I'm going to preface it by saying I had my doubts when I first saw this thing that it wasn't going to hold up, because if you can see, like, it just rolls up, but you can see it's got the cut marks in it. It's super easy to use. They got great reviews on Amazon, and you can just, if you look, it's fine. It's not breaking through. It's pretty awesome. So number 2 is going to be this flexible, space-saving cutting board.
Okay, the next one of my favorites. I'm Italian. I need my sauce. Okay, now, in the comments, is it sauce or gravy? Let us know what it is. I won't tell you what I think until everybody comments. This is the greatest pot, and I'll tell you why. It's an 8-quart stainless steel pot. What I love, so because we have pasta a lot, surprise, surprise, when we're on the RV, and in terms of saving space, I don't want to have to bring a whole strainer. So this serves as a beautifully deep pot for the pasta, and you have the strainer here. So all you have to do when it's time to dump the water, it's great.
It actually works.
It does, and it's really, again, it saves space. You can make a lot in here, and it's really one of my favorite items. And again, coming from an Italian girl, you gotta have a good pasta pot.
So number 4 is an RVer's favorite. It's going to be the Instant Pot. Now, we've done a video with an Instant Pot recipe. We're not going to link it above because nobody seemed to care about that. But if you did watch that video, we congratulate you because you're one of about 300 that watched it. Anyway, if you don't know what an Instant Pot is, it is a pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, boiler, sauteer, all in one. You can do anything from make beans, mashed potatoes, slow cook roast. It does it all. I think you can even bake in there, although we haven't done that. The one we have is the smaller one. I'm not sure exactly which one it is, but even with its size, it replaces so many other items and just makes life so much easier, and you have so much more of a variety and ability to cook different things that it's well worth it. So if you haven't gotten an Instant Pot for home, you definitely should get one, and try to get one on your RV because it's really pretty awesome. All right, so number 5 is gonna be, again, no stranger to RVers. It's gonna be a Blackstone grill. We have one, we have the 22-inch Blackstone. We've had it for years since we had our trailer, and we really love it because it's super easy to use. If you don't know what a Blackstone is, it's a propane-fired grill with a cast iron top. Works really well. You can go read the reviews on Amazon, excellent. We cook our veggie burgers on there. We cook eggs on there, whatever. You can cook whatever you want. You wanna grill veggies, meat, it doesn't matter.
You live your hibachi dreams
Yes,
there.
you can cook hibachi. I've done fried rice, like hibachi style noodles. It's just so cool and it's easy to clean up. What we like about it, again, it's propane fired. So if you have an RV, a trailer, whatever it may be, that gives you that propane outlet, like when we had our trailer, we could feed the propane right off of our main propane tanks. They have the adapters for that. We don't have that feature on our motorhome, but we just use the little, whatever, 1 or 2 pound propane containers, and they last a pretty long time. Like they'll last like probably 2 days. If you haven't checked it out, if you're looking for a grill, it's relatively inexpensive. It's one of the best ones out there, a Blackstone grill. All right, now here's the bonus tip, and I'm really loving this. So we don't have a dishwasher in our motorhome, and we hate washing dishes for several reasons. One, it uses a lot of water. It's really annoying. We have a dishwasher at home, so manually washing, I don't like it. And you really got to clean your plates because you don't want to get food going down like your drain in your gray tank. It's not cool. Anyway, our prayers were heard. Not really, but we had a vendor reach out to us, and we're, disclaimer, this was sent to us for free. It's a company called HAVA, or HAVA, H-A-V-A, and they have a portable 5-placement dishwasher. This thing is awesome. We've tested it out. I've tested it out with Mexican food and some other food. Like I just left the stuff on there. It works freaking great. So completely portable. It takes about 1.3 gallons of water. If you fill it up on the top, it will let you know when it's full. Or you can go and just hook it up to your sink via this hose. This goes into the sink, this goes to the back of the unit. Either way, about 1.3 gallons of water. Then there is a drain pipe on the back. You just hook that to the drain pipe. This goes into your sink. 60 minutes. It does a full cycle. It also has an eco mode, which is less. It has a fruit cleaning mode. So if you look on the inside, I love this, that it lights up with a blue LED. But here's a basket, and you can put your fruit in there. Obviously, don't put detergent in it, and you could just run it, and with hot water, it'll clean your fruit. Now, if you look over here, you put a little bit of detergent inside. That's where you will put it, your powder or gel, whatever it may be. I'm gonna move the fruits because we're not cleaning fruits. Now, just look at the inside here. Now, you have placement for 5 cups, utensils, and dishes, and it does fit a decent amount in here. It looks small, but what's good is that with a dishwasher, you're actually getting the dishes clean. When you're cleaning with a soap, it's kind of disgusting actually. With like the soap and the sponge, there's bacteria everywhere. If you look at it like at a microscopic level, it's pretty gross. When you're using something like this, it's actually cleaning with steam. You have eco mode, fruit mode, like I told you, and then it also has a dry mode. So like your dishwasher at home, when it's all said and done, it will go into a dry mode and dry everything up. I'm telling you right now, this thing is awesome. I believe it's $339. A little pricey, but if you don't like washing dishes, or if you actually want your dishes sterilized at like the microscopic level, check this thing out. We're gonna put it in the links below. So in the comments below, let us know what are your favorite RV kitchen items, or just kitchen items in general. And on top of that, what are your most used items on your RV? Put it in the comments below.
We're always looking to get new stuff.
And for myself and MJ from our log cabin, well, it's really like a little home. It's not really a cabin. That's how they advertise it. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.